In this video, we are going to see how we can use MATLAB to create a table like this and then save it in an Excel sheet. So let us get started. So I have defined my column vector x containing numbers 1 to 10, and I want to compute the first, second, third, and fourth power of each of the numbers within the column vector. So I have done that using line 5 to 8 of my script. So now I want to create a table containing 5 columns. The first column will be the numbers, and the subsequent 4 columns will be the powers of the numbers. So in order to create the table, I make use of the table function, and I save the output using the variable t. You can use any other variable, and the arguments the function takes are the variables that represent each of the 5 columns that I want within my table. So in order to display the table, I use the diffs command, and I use the argument t within the function. So after doing that, I just click on run. So you can see I have my table displayed in the command window with each of the 5 columns represented by the variables that is associated to it. So say I want my columns to have names that are different from the variables here. I just make use of the name value argument variables names. So you can see the name value argument variable names. So you then create an array that will contain the names that you want for each of your column. So it means number will be the name of the column that contain the numbers 1 to 10. First power will be the name of the column that contain the first powers, and fourth power will be the name of the column that contain the fourth powers. So if I click on run again, so you can see I have created the same table but with different column names now. So if I want to save the table within an Excel sheet, all I need to do is to use the writetable function, and I will give it 2 arguments, that is the output of the table function and the name I want to give my Excel sheet. So if I click on run, so if you look at the current folder, I will have my Excel sheet saved here. So if I just right click and then open outside MATLAB, so you can see this is the Excel file, and this is the same table that I created in MATLAB. Please like and subscribe to the channel if